YouTube, it's me, Captain Yellowstein. You're watching the F-Zomb50 Channel, where today I am going to take advantage of the nice weather and go to a place you probably don't expect me to be. Just kidding. I'm at the Mounds. Just going to drive around the woods a little bit, see if I can find anyone out there wheeling. Maybe need my help. Just kind of enjoying the nice weather. You have a reprieve from the heat, so it's actually a real nice day out today. So sit back, enjoy, and you have a great day. Not so many trucks here, but a lot of trailers, look like a lot of ATVs, you know, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, side-by-sides and such. So I'm going to check out the scramble area, see if anybody's having fun, maybe record them. You know, just, oops. Scramble area, but man, that thing is underwater. Yeah, found a few dirt bike and scramble area too. That guy in orange walking, the yellow walking, where he's coming from. Go again, man.
Any way you could try and pull us out in our side-by-side over here?
Yeah, where you at?
We're right over this way.
Yeah.
My dad found a hole and buried it.
Yeah, hop in.
Awesome. Yep. I'm in a bed. I'm drenched.
You see this truck? It's fine.
All right.
Oh, first rescue mission. Yeah. So what did you do?
Drove through a hole I should. Not my winch.
Oh no. Alright man, we get you out.
Oh, that a diesel?
Is this a diesel?
No, it just smokes like one.
It just smokes like one. Nice. Yeah, you stay right there, Autumn.
Right. Yeah, the holes never look as deep as what they actually are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got recovery rope and some shackles, so we just hook up and
okay,
I'll just give you a quick pull.
Right.
Alright, you got loops on it or?
Yeah, it's got the hoop right there.
Okay. Yeah, that was a very quick recovery because I time lapsed it for some reason. The third time I go for defaulted time lapse, maybe some of the settings.
That's good.
I got the old Razor all pulled out. I'm gonna jump the old F-Zomb50 and see if I can find someone else to rescue. Well, I just have the absolute worst luck with starters in this truck. It's because I have such bad luck with starters in this truck is why I bring my toolkit with me. And I just know how to take the starter out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying not to burn my knuckles off on the header tube, which is right there, and the power wires right there. Yeah, just trying not to get any more burn scars. So these FE motors have 3 bolts. One way up top hard to get to, that one's easy to get to, and then one down here on the bottom that's easy to get to. But that top one, that was a son of a gun. You need like 14 inches of extension to get to it from above the truck. I'm just gonna use a little wrench and just take my time and, you know, work on it for the next half hour. So I'll spare you that. And just in case anybody's wondering, as I burn my fingers off on this one header tube that's by that one bolt I have a hard time getting to, but just in case anybody's wondering, dirt bikers are dicks because they all just sat there and watched me get my toolkit out and nobody asked, hey, is there anything we can do to help you? So, you know, screw you, dirt bikers. One bolt down. Alright, so I got this big V8 can of a starter loose. Now I just gotta weasel it out this hole right here. So I'm gonna set you on my chest. We're gonna see if I can get a good angle at this. And everything's still hot down here, just in case you're wondering. Like, really hot. Like, maybe I should find a pair of gloves. Hot. There's like one little pocket. There we go. This thing fits up into. Forget learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You know, solve how to get a freaking starter out of F-150. That's real genius. This is what success looks like. Dirt and melt. Alright, so took that band off so you get that cover off so you get to this here, because when this goes down, it'll spin you in circles. It throws up my Bendix, which engages the flywheel. That was sticking, so I think I just had some grime stuck up on the shaft here. You gotta keep your shaft clean, so yeah, I think I just had some grime in there. So this is not sliding out. And also, gotta make sure it turns. Make sure everything's spinning down here. Make sure everything's free. So hopefully I can put her back together, slap her back in the truck, and get the truck started. If not, I gotta start making some phone calls. So yeah, back to work. It's hard to record and work around by myself. So you know, good times, good times. So yeah, still nobody's come and asked me if I need any help or anything. So I think a lot of it just comes down to nowadays nobody knows how to work on shit, so they don't want to help you out anyhow. But I think I know the problem. It's an AC Delco, remanufactured for General Motors. I have a Ford, so why did AC Delco remanufacture an FE starter when that's a Ford product? That has to be the issue. I can't think of anything else. So, while I'm under my truck, putting the starter back in, I'm gonna borrow a line from my good friend Peter Griffin and say, you know what really grinds my gears? Let me tell you what really grinds my gears. Is I come out here more than willing to help anyone out that needs help. I see someone broke down, always ask if they need assistance. I see someone stuck, say, hey, you want to yank out? You know, I go out of my way to help people out here, which all off-roaders should do. I've been out here under this truck working on this thing for, let's say, a better part of 45 minutes. Not a single person has stopped to ask me, hey dude, everything all right? Is there anything I can do for you? Do you need a bottle of water to rinse that freaking dirt out of your mouth? Not a damn soul has stopped to ask me anything of the sort, and they've been riding around out here for almost the entire time I've been out here. So yeah, let me get that off your face here. Yeah, so yeah, that's what grinds my gears. At least I got a little spider buddy right here. It's keeping me company. All right, that's my rant. I'll come back to you and we'll see if this works. Well, after my last little rant there, I may have to retract my previous comments. Didn't necessarily about dirt bikers, but about maybe the off-road community in general, because the Jeep just pulled up on the other side of me. So let's see what happens. So got my starter back in, power cable hooked back up. Nothing left to do but turn the key and hope this truck starts. That Jeep I saw, he stopped long enough to tell me he watches me on YouTube, but kept driving away. Didn't ask if I was okay, but if he watches my videos, he knows I'm self-sufficient, so I gave him a pass. If that was you, you get a pass this time, but be better. Offer assistance to off-roaders. It's a community. Let's look out for each other, guys. Come on. All right. Fingers crossed. The F-Zomb50 lives again. Short with them. I wonder if I should go like track him down and maybe talk to him a little bit. Could be like, hey man, I'm sorry I come across a little bit short, but I just did a whole rant about like off-roaders not helping each other, checking up on each other. So yeah, maybe just like apologize to him, and maybe he could, you know, maybe he just doesn't know any better. Maybe he doesn't know about, like, you know, the trail etiquette, you know, helping out his brother off-roaders and such. Woo! Don't know how I missed that tree, guys. Whoa. I was a little short with you earlier. I blew up a turb, so. On your truck? Yeah. I figured something was going on. That's why I left you alone earlier. Oh, okay. Yeah, I had a little rant about people not asking if I need assistance. Kind of. I didn't know if they asked you or to leave you the alone. Yeah. I didn't know if you had a girlfriend under the truck with you. That's why I just left. Oh, I got you. That's what we were thinking. We were like, I got a girl under there. Get it first? No. That's what we thought. That's what no kid. Oh, I got you. Yeah, that's for real why we left you alone. Oh. Yeah. I never really thought about that. I can't get my wife out here, so. That's not even now my starter went out on me, so I think I got some mud up in there. I couldn't get to re-engage, so. I was starting to come up and see if you needed any help or a pull or anything. Yeah. She was like, you probably got a girl under there. I was like, I'm gonna get the No, that's a good idea though. I like that idea. No, it was funny though. Yeah, I just had a little rant, you know. But if you watch me on YouTube, I made a comment about that too. I was like, if he watches my channel, he knows I'm self-sufficient anyway. So. Well, that's right. What I say, he works on his own shit. Yeah. Well, that's funny though. I was like, you know, I was a little short, so like, if I run into him again, I'm gonna throw an apology out there for him. So. Don't worry about it. I get it. See, and that's the thing. You really never know what. Right. You know, I've seen you work on your own stuff, and then I just never know if you know if you do or if you don't have somebody. Gotcha. All right, man. That's cool. Yeah, you too. So I'm not sure how much of that conversation you heard, but I loved his excuse. I love his excuse for not stopping. Yeah, I don't know if you heard, but I'm gonna tell you, because like his wife, girlfriend, was significant other in the car with him. I'm gonna say his wife. She's a beautiful lady, so might as well make her your wife if she ain't. Thought I might have a girl under my truck, might get a little bit frisky, so they didn't want to interrupt me. So if there was ever an excuse not to stop and help a person, that's the perfect excuse. So I wanted to share that in case you guys weren't able to hear that. Had some fun out to the mountains today. Got to meet a fan, got to rescue somebody, got to fix my truck, got to do a little bit of everything. So I'd like to thank you for watching. You have a great day. You go get your hands dirty.